How to change Facebook page name. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook page name. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up facebook.com and you will get right here. This is the business page that I have on Facebook. So now we're going to actually open up our page. It will take us to our manage page right here. In your manage page, you have to go to settings. Here you will find your page name. You can see this is the info. Here we have name and username. So you're going to click on name, edit. It will allow you to edit your name, and keep in mind, if you change your name on Facebook, you can change it again for 7 days. So what you need to do is here, for instance, I have Sasha here and makeup. So I will just change the name. Let's say I add something else here and I will be able to change it like this. Once you've added the new name, click on review change. Click on save and your name will be changed right here. This is how you change page name on Facebook. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.